guys, yeah. Fresh chicken, huh? The chicken. Nice. So now we'll see chicken to burn and butter now, you know?
GR Venture TV, you know, man.
As you see, we have some jasmine rice. I don't know, one meat, you know? Looking nice.
Yeah, man, people.
Right?
Bye.
Yes, my beautiful people, check in back to our next video. Today, you know, so we're on our next cooking. We are cook some home style chicken and some corn rice. Nice. So we are cook the rice and put corn in it, you know? Yeah, man. So just stay tuned for that. I'm going to give a big shout out to Stephanie, you know, #1 subscriber. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Same way, get me to 5K with your 4,000. So we are head to 5K, you know? Yeah, man. So just stay tuned. Ready with the meat right now, and then we catch up a fire. That is it. Alright, people, so check in. Ready with the chicken. I cut up the chicken right now. Now we cut up the chicken. You know? Because we are doing some home style chicken. So basically fried chicken, you know? But we are cooking down. And guys, at the same time, we go season it up. Season it up, professor. So we are use some of this, some Maggi chicken seasoning. So let's check in on that. Man, so it's all purpose. We have some chicken seeds here. The last thing we had some this name Manchel chicken grill master. You know, so we are gonna rub the team. And guys, we're on a fast move, you know, because time kind of late and come like rain and go fall and everything. So, yeah, man, see that? Nice and pretty. So stay tuned. I want you to cut up the natural season them. You're gonna cut your pan it and then fry up the chicken. So stay tuned.
Peas and then well pretty.
So that now we're up on the scallion. Yeah man. Everything washed and pretty. Come on, see that? Yeah. On the last thing right now. It's a piece of onion. A bit of tomato just see here. So you know, normal, you know. As I say, we are cook some home style chicken and some rice with corn now. So basically corn rice, you know. Pepper and I see it, you know. Alright, so now we're gonna put this season we just cut up. Now this, you know. So just stay tuned. Everything so I can get the flavor when it fry. Man, and the same season we cut up, right where you was cook down the chicken same, you know? But you're not gonna fry with it. But we're gonna use cook it down. Put some more all purpose. See that? Nice and pretty. So stay tuned. I'll put the pot on the fire right now and make it go and heat up. So stay tuned for that. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. We out here. And big up to Miss Stephanie. See me, you know. Man, number one supporter. Man, so let's go and stay tuned. Alright people, check in. So you know, so we have the signature thing. So tissue and oil same, you know. So I drop some oil on the tissue. So you know, so after you like this, you know. Can't hold back. You know, after you like this, I hit that, just one light, you know. That is it. And guys, that is it, man. One light and everything catch up, you know.
Through the night and morning, when the rain is pouring, you're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further.
Your father, subscribe if you like. Your mother, subscribe if you like. God, subscribe.
People say, I get the pot on the fire right now. One hot, you know. Okay, go ahead. Stick up. So, let that go on hot. And then we drop in the meat and everything. We fry up. And we must see a home style chicken. Alright, same time we drop oil in the pot, you know. Coal are going wicked. But they say coal booming. And coal them booming, man. Alright guys, so pot a kick up right now. So we're testing as it. You wanna hit that. You know, so we have a fry them up first. So we are seeing back all of them seasoning to cook here. As I say, we are doing some home style chicken. You know, so you have to fry it first. But you know, the whole line, so. There we go. And fry some and left some. And then fry the rest. Man, people, so. Just want them catch them color and fry up right way, you know. Then we take out the set here and put in the other set. Alright. One people just stay tuned. We make the set fry up and then we put in the other set, you know. Just go and stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah, people, check in on the pot, you know. Very good.
Yeah. Like as a bossy for 3 kilograms.
Man,
Tell you.
guys, we are turning, you know. See color coming on nice. Yeah, man. The exact color we want. Man, people, you see that?
Golden brown, you know. Take color, take time and come in still.
Yeah, man, so let's go and stay tuned. Yeah, make it fry up. Then we just in the other batch, you know? As I say, we have to do some home style chicken. You know, first we have to fry it up and then we cook it down. So let's go and stay tuned, you know? Yeah, man, we are doing. Remember to subscribe to JR Adventure TV. That is it. Yeah, man, guys, see a chicken looking nice. Enough beard me, you know, because I'm one, so I have to have a video for myself, see him, yeah? So just go and stay tuned. I take out them right now and put in the next batch, you know? Hope you can hear me, because the mic on the phone kind of low. But we out here, you know? So them looking nice and lovely. Yeah, man, we are taking them out right now. So just go and stay tuned. We out here and we are there. Man, people, so chicken, I take out them out of the pot right now. Put in the next batch, you know? Yeah, man, see how they're looking nice and lovely. Guys, we are putting fresh chicken on. Last batch, you know. And now we are cooking up. Just want to stay tuned for that. Man, we out here. Yeah, guys, so show them in the pot. Come on, this is the last batch, you know. And we are taking it out right now. We are getting natural seasoning to cook up. And we drop in back. We drop in some water. And then we drop in back the chicken, you know. Man, you see that? Everything look good. Nice. Yeah, man, so right away, we are dropping the natural season. First, I drop in the natural seed right now. Go and cook up. So you know, say natural season, well seasoned up with Maggi all purpose, chicken, and everything, so everything nice, huh? Man, I make this go and fry up, and that's some water in it. We'll put the chicken back in the pot. Yeah.
Chicken or chicken back?
Chicken.
Boy, you say put the chicken back in the pot.
Yes.
No boy, so like a chicken back. Yeah. Yeah, people out here seeing we are doing it, you know? Yep.
Take a look in the pot, you know? So nice. I drop some water in there. Let it go and boil down. Then we get in the chicken. Man, guys, but booming, you know? Nice. So now, you know, say chicken to go in a pot, you know? So let's go and stay tuned. Remember to subscribe. Alright, come on for the chicken. One people, you see that? You know what I do now? I go in a pot.
Cook down time and now. See that, people? Funny sauce. Smell the flavor, them, man. I tell you. GR Venture TV, you know, man. And the chicken, people.
Guys, yeah, make sure everything sync, you know?
Yeah, real home style chicken.
People, that is it. Make sure so you watch the video to the end. Please remember to watch the ads them, and I'm gonna put the ads right after me done talk right now. So please, me a beg you, watch it. Yeah, man, ads are come. 1, 2, 3. You wanna say I'm done watch the ads are now? Yeah, man, chuck in back on the pot. Man, see that? Nice. So we are cover it up here now and make it go and cook. And then, you know, say after that, we are dealing with the rice. So let's go and stew. See in our pot?
Real home style chicken.
And that is it. You see
Looking lovely.
You see that? So we are getting off by fire right now. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah, people, real home style chicken. Taste good, look good. Everything good about the home style chicken.
That is it. Man.
Yeah, man.
Man, so now I get the fire up again. As you see. I'm going to cook it, you know. And it's rice time. Remember we said we do some corn rice. You know, so we are cook down the corn in the rice. So let's go and stay tuned. Watch me and catch up with fire back, yeah? Cold and kind of weak, you know, people. You know where them cold are coming from? I who bun them here. Or I'm a stone bun them here. I can't wood.
And knock off coal. Never hear about that yet. Coal with a casco.
Remember, you know, guys. Remember for watching ads. Because that's how we make a revenue. So please watch it till the end.
Really cool ketchup you know.
People, check in, you know. Ready with the rice right now. Man, as you see, we have some jasmine rice. You know, I don't know what you know. But I get this wash off right now. So in Jamaica, you know, say you can wash the rice any amount of time you want, but me just wash it 2 times, you know? Yeah, man, we just wash it 2 times and thing.
Rice shine. Well clean, well wash. See it?
We are give it a second wash. Man, this is the last wash, you know? Then we drop in some fresh, nice water upon it and get it on the fire. You know this is going to take now a long time, so that's why we leave it for last, eh? Yeah, man, so that's going to stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell to get notified when we post a new video. And you know, that is it, man.
We are dealing today. We are get up a fire. We go and kick on more better. As we say, cool them and give you a fight, but we are go and keep it faith. So, I blaze it up. and make things work, you see it? See it? Fire blaze up on our people. So the rice that just go on. So I'm gonna add some butter in it now. So stay tuned for that. And some salt. Alright, see the people. I'm gonna add some salt in it now.
Right now. And then throw a car now, you know. Just go straight to that. Alright people. Too long for the can. Man, you put some corn now. Yeah. There's a whole kernel corn. And think a sweet corn. So we pull it right now. So you can cook down in the rice, you know? Throw off water for you, you know? Come in for the pot, huh? Get in the pot, right? One people, see that? As we say, we not sure what I call now. So I make that one boil down. You know, so let's go and stay tuned. As you know, see now it come down. And thing I was still out here we are doing. So just remember to subscribe, like, comment, share.
That is it.
Turn on the post notification bell. See me, you know. And remember, golden rule, watch the ads.
Yeah. Meet the people again. Corn rice and homestyle chicken. Yeah. And everything looking good, people.
Alright people, check in. So as you must see, you know see a night right now. So we are check the rice pot. See that? Yeah man, corn rice looking lovely. Right now I take it right off the fire right now. So check in on you by yourself.
Yeah.
Man, see that? That looking lovely. Yeah man. Right now share, we are going to share you right now, you know? Right now we set speed. See that? Right, shelly and nice, you know. cook porridge rice around here.
Rice pretty, you know. You can see the yellow inside can them. Just pretty.
People chicken from the Homestyle chicken, you know. You know, look at store. See that? I drop in a plate right now, you know. Jamaican home style chicken. So now this we don't use no brown stew, no nothing like it. You see that? Well, nice. Long pan it meat. That is it, huh? Come on. Yes, they are checking.
Checking for some item. Yes, it is. Yeah, man, people.
I eat.
I eat. Homestyle chicken, corn rice. Yes, good.
Come on, people. So ensure you subscribe. And if you reach this far in our video, please leave a comment.
Yes, people.
And give a thumbs up, see me, you know? Yeah, man. We out here. And remember, people, watch the ads, see me. Guys, my chicken on my head, you know? You know, see, I'm here, chef. So I have to taste it, taste too. Yeah, man, I eat now. Everything nice. I mean, I say nice because I'm cook, you know. It actually tastes good. Yeah, man, you're checking out chicken right now. Right? Nice and pretty too, you know. Oh, man. So as I say, remember to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, share the video to your friend and your family, and catch you back in our next video. We out here. Catch you in our next video, you know? We out there and we are it. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and all the good stuff, eh? We out here. And please, me I beg you, if you reach this far in our video, please watch the ads them, and please watch them till the end. that is how me I go actually make a revenue. So me just ask you just that one favor. Is me catch me back in our next video. That is it.
Your father, subscribe if you like your mother, subscribe if you like God, subscribe.